Yes, like I am so excited. And you know when I do this dance, right? I dance when I'm unboxing. So yes, today's video is going to be an unboxing video, guys. Like, I cannot quantify how excited I am, you know, about today's unboxing, because the bag we're going to be unboxing today is like a dream bag for me. It's a bag that I've been hoping and dreaming and trying to get for so long. And another reason why I'm excited is because my plan was to get it pre-loved, because again, it's one of the bags that I told you guys on this channel that do not have good pre-love value for whatever reason that I don't know yet. So I planned to buy a pre-loved. I was gonna pull the plug, then eventually the trip to Paris came up and I decided to, you know what, go to Paris, and eventually I was able to get it like at the same amount that I would have paid pre-loved, you know, was what I paid for it, you know, in Paris. So yeah, so that's why I am mostly excited. I am also grateful to God for the opportunity, because all in all, I give it all up to him. Today's video is just going to be about me unboxing this bag with you guys, just sharing my excitement with you, showing you what the bag looks like closely. And yeah, you already know the bag by the title of this video, so let's see my bag. Before I get started, I'd like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I do appreciate you a lot. Thank you. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my beautiful face. My name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbags, about fashion, about beauty, about solid gold jewelry sometimes. And if any of this content is something that you love, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button below to join us, and I promise you, you are going to have a lot of fun around here. And overall, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know what it does, right? It encourages me to keep going, and it actually helps me to know the type of video that you want me to make more of. Also, guys, if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because on those platforms I inspire you on how to style your bags. I also show you how to style when it comes to outfit, and I also encourage you to wear your style with confidence. So if you haven't yet, feel free, pause this video, follow me, or after this video, follow me on either of those two platforms. So yeah, without dragging this intro for too long, let's just jump right into the unboxing. Yes, you should give me kudos for putting this bag together even after crossing so many rivers and waters and bridges. I got this bag in Paris, so it was given to me this way, but then I had to, you know, compress it so that I can transport it. So give me kudos for doing this. So you might not see all the ribbons, you know, wrapped around it and all that good stuff, because I probably took them out, so pardon me on that one. However, what matters is we still have the bag. Also, if you stay till the end of this video, there is a bonus box we're going to be unboxing as well at the end of this video. But before we get into this one, let's get into the bigger box. Here is the box out of the bag. It has, this is my first time of getting the box that has this kind of closure. The last bag that I got, I believe, was my Poche Métis, and it didn't have this closure. They probably have just switched to this closure, or maybe this is because I got it in Paris, I don't know. But yeah, it now has this closure, which I think is cute. You know, it makes it looks more like, you know, a box that you can use for storage. So yeah, opening up the box, I tried. I still have it like with the skin label. Now I can open it up to show you and bring the bag out. So ta-da-da! Here is the bag. I hope you guys are rolling the drum, because I'm about to reveal my latest and my most gorgeous addition to my collection. It comes in this drawstring dust bag, which is, I mean, I like the quality of this dust bag. There's something different about it. I can't place my hand on it, but just FYI. And the name is actually in embroidery. It's not like printed like normal dust bag, it's in embroidery. So I mean, I like this as well. It's probably what they do now, like this is probably new, or it's because I got it in Paris, but it's cute. So now, you ready? Are you guys ready? You sure you're ready? All right. Ta-da-da-da-da, 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 ta-da-da-da-da. Yes, so this is my latest gorgeous addition, guys, and this is the Louis Vuitton Capucines BB bag. This bag has been on my wish list for so long. I believe I've made like about 3 or 4 wish list videos here on my channel that I've mentioned this bag, and I just was not able to get it until now. So I'm excited and I feel really grateful to have it. So yeah, not to drag this video for too long, let me show you what this bag looks like real quick. So at the front, it has that heavy part. You see that? If you need to, if you like, you can keep it this way when you're wearing your bag, and if you like, you can actually cover it up like this. which I'm not a fan of, because there is nothing for it to stick to. So it's just like so it has nothing to stick to, but it's a way that you can wear your bag if you want. So like this, but you would have this part covering the LV if you want. Personally, I won't do that. I prefer to stick it in, and to stick it in, there is a space right here, just right in front of the LV, where you would stick in the edge of the closure, and then your bag is closed. So this is how you can get your bag closed. And inside of it, another way to get your bag closed is it has this hook right here that you can hook to this second part of the hook to kind of like keep your things in place if you want, but mostly you can just stick it into that hole like I showed you guys earlier, and you'll be good to go to carry your bag. So this is what the bag looks like. That's what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. It's plain like so. It has 4 feet. Like if it doesn't have 4 feet, then something will be probably very wrong with Louis Vuitton, but it has 4 feet. And this is what the handle looks like. I hope, let me try to focus this camera so that you guys can see very well. So yeah, this is what the side looks like. It has leather and hardware. I'm just praying so hard for the hardware of this. I hope the hardware doesn't begin to change color. Like that would hurt me so bad if it does. I hope not, but when I watched other people's videos, I didn't see anybody complain about the hardware, so fingers crossed. So yeah, it comes with a strap, which is, you know, long enough. Then you can wear, let me stand up and show you. So you can wear the bag like this, you know, on your arm, and you can mostly wear it up handle, which I believe I will be wearing it, you know, most times I'll be wearing it as a top handle. Then if you like, you can also wear it as a crossbody by inserting the strap like so. Well, some people like to see details, but when you look at the strap, it has LV on this side of the strap, and that's just about it. On both sides, actually, it has LV on both sides, which is this part and the other part. It has LV. You know, I know some people watch these videos just to check to make sure that the pre-loved bag they are buying is authentic. So yeah, that's just one thing to look out for on the strap if you like. Then this is what it looks like with the strap. So I have the strap at the, let me see, I have the strap at the one before the last hole, and it's sitting right, you know, below my hips. Actually, it's sitting right below my hips, meaning the strap is really long. I can wear it as a crossbody as well if I want, but this is not a style of bag that I personally would wear crossbody, except I'm like totally hands full and I need the strap to carry it, but I wouldn't wear this bag as a crossbody. The only way that I will also wear this bag is just shorten the length and wear it on my shoulder with a shorter length. But most times it's gonna be me carrying it like this, because I don't know if I've mentioned to you that this is gonna be my own Hermes bag for a while. I hope I get one someday, but for now that I don't have a Hermes bag, this is going to be my Hermes bag for a while. But maybe even when I'm carrying the top handle, I'm going to have the strap in the bag itself. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. This is the interior. This is what the interior looks like. It has this divider in it. Then it has a zip compartment at the back. Yeah, it has a zip compartment at the back, which is also made with leather. It's a full leather bag. I don't know if I mentioned, you know. Yeah, this is what the interior looks like, and the red is so cute, guys. And if you guys remember, I've been thinking about adding a luxury red bag to my collection. I got the Turibot Kira bag in the meantime. Now that I have this one, I am just so excited. What I want to do now is I want to take this bag to the Louis Vuitton store that is close to me here in Dallas, and I want them to help me use the bandeau to, you know, wrap the handle so that, you know, the handle can be secured at least for a good period of time. I have 2 bandeaus, you know, so I'll just use like the newest one to wrap the handle. So I'll let you guys know, of course, on TikTok or Instagram when I do that. But yeah, this is what the bag looks like. Again, I am super duper excited that I eventually have it. You know, I can't wait to put it on my closet. I've been, since we got back from this trip, I've been waiting to just put it on my closet and just begin to walk in and see it on my closet, you know. But I had to wait so hard. Like, waiting game is not easy. It's not easy, but I had to, you know, because of course I have to now. So yeah, one thing also, at the feet of the bag also has Louis Vuitton typed on it. Then I'm looking at a number. I'm not sure what the number is. but I'm looking at a number. I think it says 02 or 01, whatever this is. But yeah, there is an additional, oh no, it's just a Louis Vuitton logo. Yeah, it also has like a Louis Vuitton logo on the feet. You trust me, you cannot see it, but you know, it does have the Louis Vuitton print on the bag. Then inside the handle, there is no print at all. The inside, the hole right here is just plain like so, no print at all. There is a Louis Vuitton print on this side as well. If there is any other questions you have, you know, feel free to ask me and I'll be more than happy to answer you. But yeah, that's all about my pretty queen. You guys, talk to me nice now. I have my Capucine BB bag. I have my Capucine BB bag. Don't mind me, I'm excited, of course. So yeah, so now let's go to the bonus of this video. Trust me, this piece deserves its own video, but then, you know, it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, let's just do the unboxing here too. So yeah, while I was in the store, I saw this one. I know guys, I know that I'm that one person that will always say that I'd rather spend my money on solid gold jewelry than designer jewelry, but this one, nobody can pass it. If you go past this jewelry and you pass it without getting it, please send me your name and your phone number. We need to talk, you know. Trust me, girl, I couldn't. So yeah, it's in this velvet pouch, which I like. My other pouches are like, you know, in cloth, but this one is in velvet pouch, which is super cute. And ta-da-da, this is the jewelry right here. Let me bring it close to the screen. It's so tiny, you know. I couldn't try it on because you can't try on earrings. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see it's so cute. I don't know if you can see it closely. Guys, you need to come close to your TV screen or your device screen, whatever you're using to watch this video. Let me try to focus. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is the earring. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it clearly. It is so cute. It has crystals on it. I'm gonna put the name for you on the screen. It has crystals on it, so it's not plain. If you can see very well, it has some, you know, crystals. I know it's not real diamond or anything, but it has some crystals on it, so which makes it, you know, sparkly and nice and cute. You can imagine me wearing it. Ooh, sugar. So yeah, I got this pair of heavy earrings as well while I was getting my bag. All right guys, so that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing with me. If you have any questions whatsoever about this bag or any other bags in my collections or any bag that I don't have at all, you never know, feel free to ask me in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Before we see again guys, I hope you remain blessed and I wish you peace.